Hey guys, we're working on a Honda Civic. Windshield washer pump blows the fuse every time he tries to use the washer fluid. So this is the location. I got it up in the air, tire off. Take your splash guard down a little bit. There's a pop rivet right there. Pops out. Here's an example of one. You get a screwdriver in this little slot. Pulls the inner part down. Then you can grab it out with like some pliers or something. There's another one right there. There's a couple more you can take off if you want more room. This is enough room for me. You know, just pulling the splash guard back. Here's our pump right here. We got this hose connected right there. If we take it off, it's gonna spill fluid out. First thing we wanna do is take this wiring harness off. We're gonna pull it out of there. There's a little clip on the back, I believe, on this one. I'm gonna probably grab a little screwdriver and pop this clip so I can get the wiring harness off. Now the new pump comes with a new seal. We got our new pump sitting right there. There's your wiring harness. Looks a little different, should do the job. That's our new seal that we can put in the reservoir right there. So the seal goes in right there, in between the pump and the reservoir. All right, this is what the parts store gave me. The wiring harness actually lines up, but there's no clip to clip it in. Kind of funny. But there you go. There's the clip that you couldn't see from that angle. You got to press in on it to get the harness out. Now I'm going to pull that washer pump out. It's going to twist. Gonna kind of like pull out this way and then pop out. Can't do it with one hand while I'm filming though. Fluid is gonna come gushing out, so have a bucket to catch your fluid or have your reservoir empty. I'm gonna pop that out now. There we go, job's done. Got our hose connected. On this pump it faces the other way, and on this pump it doesn't have a clip to hold the harness in, but that harness is in there. So I don't know what's up with this pump, little aftermarket, not quite right, but it gets the job done. And it's squirting again without blowing fuses. Let's go. Gonna put that splash guard back on. She's done.